The monkey is greedy, selfish, and dishonest because he tricks the turtle and keeps the good part of the banana plants for himself. The turtle is patient, clever, and wise because even though she is small and slow, she used her intelligence to outsmart the monkey in the end. Once upon a time, a monkey and a turtle found a banana tree floating in the river. They decided to divide it between them. The monkey, being greedy and thinking he was smarter, chose the upper part of the banana tree because it already had leaves. The turtle, who was the quiet and patient, took the lower part with the roots. After planting their parts, the turtle's tree grew strong and healthy because it had roots. Soon, it had produced sweet bananas. The monkey's part, however, dried up and dead.
When the monkey saw the turtle's bananas, he became jealous. He climbed the tree and ate all the bananas by himself. He did not give the turtle any. The turtle felt sad but did not show her anger. Instead, she thought a plan. She placed the sharp bamboo sticks around the tree. When the monkey climbed, after eating, he stepped on the sharp stick and got hurt.
The monkey angrily grabbed the turtle and decided to punish her. He asked the turtle how he should kill her. The clever turtle pretended to be afraid of being thrown into the water, so the monkey threw her into the river.
But the turtle was happy because she could swim. She escaped safely while the monkey has slept, fooled by his own foolishness.
Essential life lesson about the dangers of greed and selfishness, exemplified by the monkey's loss due to the pride over the banana tree. In contrast, the turtle's success is rooted in the patience and the wisdom. It illustrates the quiet thoughtfulness can surpass boastfulness, and the jealousy can lead to harmful decisions. The turtle's strategic thinking highlights the value of intelligence in adversity. Ultimately, the narrative conveys that negative action yield consequence, while smart, patient behavior